20 divided by 5 bracket 2 plus 2 equal what? Here this 20 divided by this 5 multiply this 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 20 divided by this 5 times 4 gives us 20. 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Please hit the like button to support this channel. Here this 20 divided by this 5 times this 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Now I have to work with this division, because division and multiplication have same priority, and we have to work left to right. Therefore this 20 divided by 5 gives us 4, multiply this 4. 4 times 4 gives us 16. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.